Let's count down, and on one, we'll all say what tier it deserves at the same time.
3,
2, 1.
God tier.
Oh, not again with Sleepy Joe. What the hell?
How the f*** do you fall asleep in 3 seconds? That's what I'm wondering.
But yeah, God tier, this biscuit sandwich is going in. Now that this tier list is complete, I have a golfing tournament to attend to.
I gotta go make dinner for Michelle, so I'll see you tomorrow in BC.
Hey, Joe, how's it going? Where did everybody go? What the hell? This old f*** snores louder than me.